Hey guys, so I'm gonna bring you a quick video. Every pocket organizer I get, I'm gonna try to do a video on it, and there's not much to say about it, unless it's like a different collection. I mean, if they use a different canvas or something, then material, then I'm gonna talk more about it. But this is the new 2020 Giant Damier collection. So it comes in a blue and an orange, and as I've mentioned a million times, I love the color orange. So I wasn't a fan of like the Pixel. If you remember the Pixel collection, it was similar to this, but the squares were obviously a lot more smaller. But this was orange. I didn't really like it at first because the exterior was just like bleh. But then I didn't realize the whole interior is orange. Like, oh my god, look at that. That's so beautiful. That orange is to die for. Like, I just love this interior. And like I said, it's just standard pocket organizer. There's a slot out here. There's 3 right here, 1 down here, and there's actually 2 slots here, but 3 slots. There's the back, and then this where this card holder is, and then behind that as well. So this is Louis Vuitton Paris right there. It's like a gradient as well. I guess this is like one of their new things, because the Cloud collection was like a gradient as well. It's made in France. Most of the pieces I get are made in France, which I love. I know some people are picky if it's made in the USA, but I mean, you're gonna use it the same way, right? But look at this interior. So it's just standard canvas. It's canvas, nothing special, but here it is, close up. Okay, bye guys.